Respite is a noun that refers to a short period of rest or relief from something difficult, unpleasant or demanding. It offers a break that allows one to recharge or gather strength before continuing with a challenging task. As a verb less commonly used, it means to postpone or delay something, often a punishment. Origins of respite. The word respite comes from the Latin respectus, meaning a refuge or consideration, and through Old French, it evolved to its modern English form. It has been used since the 14th century to describe a temporary reprieve or pause. How to use respite. Respite is often used in contexts involving work, stress or hardship, emphasizing the relief provided by a temporary break. It can be applied to both physical and emotional situations. Example sentences. After hours of intense negotiations, they took a brief respite to regroup. The vacation provided a much-needed respite from the pressures of daily life. The storm offered a respite from the scorching summer heat. Similar words: break, a short pause or interruption. Relief, the easing of pain, discomfort or distress. Hiatus, a temporary gap or interruption in continuity. Nuances of respite. Respite conveys a sense of temporary relief rather than a permanent solution. It often carries a tone of gratitude or appreciation as it highlights the value of rest during trying times. The word is also versatile, describing both literal breaks, e.g., from physical labor, and figurative ones, e.g., from emotional strain. In essence, respite encapsulates the human need for moments of rest amid adversity, emphasizing the restorative power of even brief pauses. It reminds us that taking time to recharge is not just helpful, but often essential. Subscribe.